Hey guys, welcome back to Believe Butterfly Tarot. This message here is for my Capricorn collective. This message is for what's going on in your life presently, okay? Alright, so we have the Emperor and we also have Nourish. So I feel like you guys are stepping into this Emperor energy, okay? Being more secure within yourself, being focused on yourself, nourishing yourself, nourishing your business, but self-focused and soul-finding. I feel like you guys are definitely in the midst of learning lessons and growing from them and advancing in your life, okay? I feel like you guys are very secure within yourself presently. Yeah. Because I feel that you could have had somebody who tried to manipulate you in some way, shape, or form, or you just were dealing with a lot of manipulative energies that were around you, and I feel like you guys are like really standing up to these energies, not allowing it to affect you in any way, shape, or form. Yep. Because you are nourishing yourself. Y'all are coming up very strong here. It's like you are not allowing anybody to come in and try to manipulate you in any way possible presently. From anybody who has tried, you're just like, no, get out of my face. Okay? Get out of my face. It's not working this time. Okay? Yeah, Two of Wands, you're not going to set me back. You're not going to throw me off. You're not going to come towards me with any more deceit or lies or illusions. I'm not focused on that. Yes, with the High Priestess card. This is very much so strong energy here. You guys are really focused on yourself and nobody else. Could be dealing with the Pisces, Cancer. Could be dealing with the Pisces, Cancer, Pisces strongly, or Taurus or Aries. But you're just like, no, I'm not dealing with traitors. I'm not dealing with treacherous individuals. I'm not dealing with stuck individuals that can't get themselves out of being stuck in the mud. I'm not dealing with these people, places, or things around me, especially if it's a Taurus specifically. I'm not keeping myself stuck in a marriage. I'm not committing myself to nobody. I'm not, like, you're just like, no, I'm focused on me, myself, and I, and that's all I'm doing. I don't trust people that's been around me. I don't trust individuals. Okay, it's like you guys are just like, I'm exhausted, and if I kept giving to those people, places, or things around me, I wouldn't even have me. So I feel like you guys are like finding yourself. Yes, you're finding yourself. With the Queen of Swords, you have somebody that's very upset at the simple fact that you don't trust them because they are untrustworthy with the Queen of Swords in the reverse. Somebody who could be very impulsive or just bitter towards you because maybe you're just not falling for the manipulations that they have tried to bring towards you already. Yeah. Eight of Cups. This is somebody who does not know how to walk away from you or let go. They don't want to end whatever cycle this is with you. It's like they just don't want to let go of you emotionally. Okay, you could have been dealing with somebody for a long time. But again, with the King of Pentacles, you're just showing up for yourself here. Being very strong, being very courageous, being very self-focused. Okay, focused on advancing, focused on a business or just your responsibilities. But you're focused, okay? Because with the Nine of Cups here and the Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups and Eight of Cups is that it's like you're letting go of any fears. Like you're letting go of fear of change. You're letting go of lack of self-worth, or if you did once have lack of self-worth, like you letting that go. It's like you're not willing to be complacent anymore, or you're not allowing people to keep you in a complacent energy. Yeah, with the Sun, you're going for your happiness. Like you have a lot of big D energy here, or you know, if you're a woman, you know what I mean. It's a lot of good energy here. Okay, yeah. Because with the Three of Cups, it's like, you know, people want to reunite with you because things have been changing for you. But with the Wheel of Fortune, it's like you're not going to put yourself back on a cycle where it just makes you unhappy. Yes, especially with the Queen of Wands. It's like you guys are really focused on your confidence and getting like a lot of fire within yourself again. You're getting a lot of fire within yourself again. Somebody is definitely watching how good you look. They're watching how you're changing, how you're glowing up, okay? How you're bossing up, all right? You could have definitely started a new business venture as well. And you're just like really at it. Like nothing is going to stop me. That's all I keep hearing. Nothing is going to stop me. Yup. Eight of Wands. The message is coming in. All right. Somebody may want to come in and try to send you a message, but I feel like you guys are just like, nothing is going to stop me. I don't care what anybody tries to do to me. I don't care how much of a player you tried to be to me. I see you. I've grown from it. But guess what? Nothing is stopping me. Like, that's all I hear. Nothing is going to stop me. Look, Ace of Swords in the reverse. Because you know when people come back towards you, they come in with lies. They come in with confusion. They trying to delay your plans. And you like, no. See? 6 of Wands. You looking good, smelling good. You're working out, eating good, getting recognized. Definitely focus on your achievements. I feel like this is so happy for y'all. Whoever y'all let go of, walked away from, y'all are in like this heavy boss energy where nothing is going to stop you getting your way. All right. Even if it's like a heartbreak that you might be going through, or maybe somebody else is feeling heartbroken, you're still like, nah, I'm not letting it go to, I'm not letting it bother me though. Like, I'll just be really hard, you know, I may be hurt a little bit, but it's still not going to stop me from where I'm going in my life. And you do have somebody that definitely cares about you and love you, but again, they could have hurt you in some way, shape, or form. And with the 6 of Pentacles here, I feel like you guys are just focused on your balance in your life. Like, you focus on opportunities, you're focused on things that give you relief in your life, okay? And you're not going back and forth to try to work on something that was a dead-end situation, or something that just has never grown or gotten to at least the 8 of Pentacles where, you know, it was a quality commitment, quality job, but you're not going back towards something that was lazy, bored, and just didn't evolve. Yeah, 10 of Swords, especially if somebody hurt you or betrayed you. So yeah, you could be going through a little hurt right now, but I still feel you're in this strong energy where you're still not letting nothing stop you. Somebody definitely wants to come back and apologize to you for what they could have done, but again, that's going to be put to the wayside because you're not letting shit stop you. Like Judgment, nope, bye. Nope, bye. Secrets have been revealed. Thank you, but no thank you. You made a poor judgment around me, you salty, bye. Okay, yeah, bye. And then you're like, I'm going to sleep good. I'm going to sleep on that because I found peace on that, okay? And I know I got many options and choices in my life, so do not come back here, okay? Do not come back here. I feel like you guys are definitely just going towards the things that make you happy. It's like you soul searching a little bit because you were tired of feeling trapped in your life. And I feel that you have really stood up strongly to do something about it. Yeah, because look, with the Devil card, that's you showing up though. I feel like you had energies around you that put you in a lot of toxic or chaotic energy, and I feel like you guys are really releasing this, and you still have a lot of codependent energies that seem to be in this reading. But again, this is why I feel like you're so fierce at, I'm not letting anybody stop me. I'm leaving them out in the cold. I'm leaving that devil out in the cold. I'm getting these chips off of my shoulder, especially if they had me in this energy of dark. I'm letting that go. I'm not dealing with it. I've learned my lessons. I've learned from my mistakes. I know what I will not tolerate anymore moving forward. I'm not going to keep myself in ruin or crises. It's just like, I'm working on myself. Yeah, because look, with the Tower, it's like people really are holding on to you like badly, like energetically and everything. It's like they want you in balance. They want you in dark energy. They want you to be out here acting a fool. They didn't want you to love yourself, but you are. 2 of Cups could have been a separation that you're going through, which is why that 3 of Swords was there. Yeah, it could be dealing with a Cancer or a Pisces, but it's like you see what people have been doing to you. You notice now, and you know that they wanted to keep you stuck, not moving forward or even seeing them for who they are, but you see it because it became too heavy. You had no choice but to see it and realize it. All right, so with the 3 of Pentacles, keep moving forward and planning. Keep working on what you need to work on. I feel like you guys are cool. Don't let nobody back. But as far as this Lover's Oracle card, who is this lover? I can't come to you now. Why is that? Oh, somebody was in a relationship. And if they try to come to you, they'll have to sneak to come to you. So whoever you just let go and set some fire up under your ass, I say good. This person was crossing your boundaries and they need to heal. Also, you do need to heal too, but be patient with yourself. But don't allow this person to come back and cross your boundaries again because they liars. Yeah, the Chariot card, they missed the opportunity with you because you're stepping into some good energy and you know it. So the signs you could be dealing with here. Okay, we have Gemini, Virgo. We have Taurus, Aries strongly. We have Pisces, Cancer, Pisces, Taurus strongly. Leo, fixed signs, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Virgo. We have Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces strongly. Leo strongly. Taurus strongly. Scorpio.